about it all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind?
So I'm just going to start by blending out my foundation with a damp beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it totally out around my ears and everything, and also on my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I take this foundation brush and blend it down my neck. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just put it underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and on my forehead. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender again and blend out my concealer. Once I've totally blended out my concealer, I'm just going to take this face powder and set underneath my eyes and then set all around my face. And now I'm going to take my Tarte Clay Play face palette and just contour and bronze up my face. And I'm going to take the middle shade, which is the coolest, and it's really good for fair skin. And I'm just going to put that in my cheekbones. And then I'll put it on my neck and then a little bit on my forehead as well. And then I'm going to use this Estee Lauder palette for my blush. I'm going to take the two peachy blushes, one's more dark, one's lighter, and I'm just going to mix them together on the apples of my cheeks to add a more flushed look. Now I'm going to take this Total Temptations eyeshadow palette and take the lighter brown shade and just start as my sort of transition shade and just start by blending that into the crease and all over the lid. Now I'm just going to take this Morphe brush and kind of clean it off and then dip it into this chocolatey brown shade and start it at the outer V of the eye and then just work it into the crease. Now I'm going to take a pointed shadow brush and spray it with some Morphe Prep and Set just to dampen it so it applies the shimmers well. And then after I've sprayed that, I'm just going to go into the light champagne color. Yeah, and then I'm just going to apply that to the lid to add a glowing effect. Then you're going to blend together the chocolatey brown color and the warm brown, and you're going to place that on your lower lash line just to bring the whole look together and make your eyes look more open. Then I just take this fluffy brush and kind of wipe away the extra bake that was there and then all the fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm going to take the champagne color that I used all over my lid and place that in the inner corner just to open and separate the eyes and give a more awakened look. Sorry for my facial expression, but you're going to take the champagne color that you used on the inner corner and you're just going to apply that to the high points of your face just to help you glow like a goddess. I personally apply most of my highlight on the cheekbones and the tip of the nose, but I also add a light layer over my chin and my temples just to give a more natural glow. Then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Lashes mascara. This is literally one of the best mascaras ever, I swear by it. And I'm just going to curl my lashes and then coat my lashes with the mascara. And yeah, I did my brows off of camera just using the Estee Lauder palette that I used for my blush, and I just used some of the eyeshadows to sort of fill in some sparse areas, and I just didn't show it because it wasn't very good. And now we're all lashed up. And now I'm going to take these NYX lippies. They're the Lingerie liquid lips. One's in a more dark nude, not really dark, but it's darker, and then the next is a light pinky shade that I'm just going to apply on the inner parts of my lip to give a more full look. Then I'm just going to blend that out, the light pink shade, to make it look all blended. And then that is it. Here's me feeling myself. Sorry about that, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, like and subscribe. See ya.